All right, and welcome everybody. We are a little late on schedule. We're supposed to be live just 30 minutes before the open, but here we are looking for NQ today. We're just gonna scalp NQ. Might look at ES too, but we'll see. We'll see. Right now, I'm just mostly scalping NQ. I feel like it's been giving me success. Um, yeah, I would have to look at the bigger time frame stuff here. I feel like first and do some pre-market preparation. Let's look at the TPO, shall we? I'm gonna look at ES TPO. Here we can see on ES we are pretty much now like in a balanced profile. We had a balanced profile yesterday, and the overnight profile is pretty normal ranged and also in balance. So we kind of have maybe found balance here in the market, and yeah, I don't really have any big expectations for today. I believe, like in the ES, if we actually start to see bears in control, I'm gonna expect we are gonna see and test these single prints. Maybe 4685 is a level that might be tagged today, and that could be the bottom of the day. So something I could expect is like a pullback and back to balance, something like that. Um, I'm more of a scalper, so we are still in the previous contract here, but it doesn't really matter on the DOM. Let's look at the NQ. Oh yeah, I don't have the NQ profile set. Oh well, it is what it is. We have the TPO data for the old one though. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I don't really watch too much. I'll see if I can take some other charge. On ES we are trading a little bit above previous close, and so are we on NQ. NQ is above VWAP, and ES is below VWAP. That's gonna be interesting to see what the day brings today. And yeah, I might just do some bigger time frame analysis here. It's very hard to. Maybe I should just set up the TPO. It's gonna take a while. Hopefully you don't mind. I'm gonna set up a TPO for NQ, and I'm gonna find price opportunity. Okay. Apply defaults, create, and we should have something here that resembles a proper TPO. Show all, and now it's loading the data. But yeah, I'm still kind of bullish overall. We had some bullish news from the Fed earlier this week, so I do still believe in the market, and I do still think it's pretty strong. But now that we have found kind of balance, I'm kind of expecting a small pullback, at least to the singles, at some point. That's like my bigger time frame analysis, but I could always be wrong. I'm gonna put the light a little actually probably see me better. Well, yeah, let's see if the TPO is here. Oh, it is here. And it's very messy. I have to put the tick interval a little. Change the settings a little bit. Yeah, this is a little awkward. I'm gonna put the ETH session, I'm gonna split them a little bit. Now it's beautiful. So here we have NQ. We still have 15 minutes, so we have time to look at it. I still have to change the settings a little bit. Let's put that one there. And single prints, apply, update. And yeah, so we have singles on NQ at 16,578 and a half. So a pullback to this area at least is very possible today. And yeah, it's below P close. So I mean, I don't think it's impossible. So a scenario is that we could maybe reject the overnight high or the previous session high, which is 1680. 16,880 about, and this area here is something I would be looking for rejection towards the singles. But maybe we do have a good Friday. Who knows? But yeah, I'm a little bearish today, but that doesn't really matter. I'm mostly gonna scalp anyways, right? So yeah, we have 14 minutes till the market opens. And, we're just gonna wait here. If you guys have any questions about my charts, I know they're a little messy, but I'd be glad to give you some answers on it. I had to do some coding here to get it for you. I don't know. I have to come up with a smoother setup so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. It's so hard because on my main screen, like, I really like to trade big. I don't want to have I have 4 screens, so I really like to look at stuff close. I really want to see the numbers in my PNF chart. So it's very hard to put it on OBS so you can actually see like a bigger time frame, because I know a lot of you guys won't have a clue of what is going on here. And that's totally fine. Everyone trades differently. I like the PNF charts a lot, so that's why I use them. I'm gonna open my tablet here and put the news on. Do we have any news? We shouldn't have any bigger news today. We have the S&P Global Composite PMI flash and manufacturing PMI flash 15 minutes after the open, so 9:45. And we had some minor news just a minute ago, but that doesn't really matter. So no like very big news. I think today the plan is to play a little bit slower. Wait a minute in the open. We're not gonna jump straight in the open, but even after 3, 4, 5 minutes, I'm probably starting to look for my first setup. But I kind of want to have a general idea of where the market is going right now in the open, and once I start to have an idea, right, then I can start actually analyzing my stuff better. So I kind of want to have I don't really like long-term biases too much when I'm scalping, but I do want to have a general sense of where the move is going, because then it's much more easier to for example, only trade longs. If I know the rotation is only going upwards, I'm only looking for long scalps. So I feel like I want a direction first, because a lot of times in the open it just tends to chop, and a very volatile chopping. I mean, I know probably some guys might like that and like to trade it, but not me. So I wanna kind of get first some kind of confirmation that we have a direction where we are actually moving towards. Not necessarily the bias for the day, but I want to have an idea of in what direction I want to take scalps. I really like to see, a general direction for the market first. But I'm pretty fast still on the trigger, don't get me wrong, like 3-4 minutes after the open and I'm already in a trade probably. So yeah, I'm taking 5 scalps today, and that's probably then gonna be my week. I have no... Well, there's maybe a gap to sell set up for me on the ES, but we'll see. I'm gonna produce my scalps first, and then I'm gonna see what the market wants to do. I mean, it's still a pretty good... Oh, it's only... Well, it's 19 points from the overnight high gap, so that's like 19 points I could get on ES, but or like minimum. What is a good level? Yeah, I think the overnight level is like yeah, there's like a good resistance level there, like the 9790s on ES is pretty good. I'm sorry, I'm not showing ES here, I'm just looking at it because we are concentrating ourselves on ES, right? But yeah, if you guys have any questions regarding my trading, go ahead. This is a funded account I'm trading. I might as well put my Rhythmic Trader Pro out there, so y'all can see actually what my stats look like for today, and overall what my PNL is. I should be about $800 up on this account right now, so pretty decent week it has been. Haven't had a losing day this week yet, but we're gonna play very defensive on Friday. Usually Friday is my worst day, so we don't wanna give back our profits, right? So let's see. Yeah, we're gonna do this, and then I'm gonna change it a little so we can actually crop it a little bit. I don't know, what do we do here? I don't know if this matters. I can probably show it. Put it maybe up here so y'all can see it. Oh yeah, there's my I'm gonna put it here a little bit. I'm gonna see if I can put some color source. I'm sorry, I have to black out some parts of it. I don't know if it does really matter, but I'll do it anyways. Alright, then like that maybe, and then I can do this. Alright. Yeah, I don't know if it does matter if I'm showing it, but I'll just do it to be safe, you know. You never know if people try to log in on your PAs or whatever. It's probably not gonna happen, but you know, just doing it for safety measure, right? Alrighty, there's still 8 minutes until the open. We are just chilling now. We did our small preparation already. And yeah, I think a pullback today is very possible to the singles from previous days. Was it Wednesday when we had like the bigger trend day? That's very possible, right? But anything can really happen. If you have some other traders here, you can tell me your own ideas. What do you think is going to happen today? Are you very bullish, or what's the bias today? Alrighty. That's the bias today. That's good stuff. Alright. NQ looks a little bit stronger than ES pre-market, but that doesn't really matter too much. We could put some on some music, right? Let's see here. What do you want to listen to? Some kind of copyrighted music. Or uncopyrighted. Copyright-free music is the right word. I would probably put something like this, maybe. I can't hear it, but you can probably hear it. What is this? Change my volume settings. Oh yeah, I don't have my speakers connected. Are they on? So smart. Connect. No. That's loud. Is this too... This is probably like... Maybe this is good. No, this is... I want some chill vibes in here. We don't want to listen to some kinda crazy loud music, right? Just want some chill vibes, and that's all. That's what trading is all about, right? Taking it easy, just waiting for the right setup with some chill music. Hell yeah. Soon we have the market opening. And hopefully we can get some good trades today done. Alright. So now it looks like we have a small rejection at the overnight high. It actually tagged it like pretty much... well, it went a little higher than the overnight high, or previous overnight high. But yeah, pretty good rejection there. It was at VWAP too. Oh, we have the ES. Oh, wait a minute. What is this? My bad. I don't want to show this screen. Why do I have the old NQ PNF chart here? No, I'm not gonna touch this. Still have to. I rolled over like everything already on Monday, but apparently I still have one chart which is old. Well, that doesn't matter too much. Chill vibes. And here we already have some kind of rejection pre-market, finding some volatility even before the market opens. Interesting. Could be a good scalp here for a long. Yeah. Maybe not. Would have probably been stopped out there with my very tight stop size. Yeah, this is why I don't really trade pre-market. I wanna just I wanna get to the good parts. So what do you guys will happen today? What do you think? What is the name of the game? Are we gonna continue trading upwards, or is this the time for a pullback? I feel like there's a possible pullback today. That's my opinion. Like to the singles, not a crazy one, but a small one. We haven't really had any pullbacks in a while, really. Well, yesterday we had a balanced day, but I kind of want to see a pullback. But Nasdaq has already some very good movement here. We didn't have any news there, which is kind of weird. In 15 minutes we do though, and the market opens in 30 seconds. I guess people are already setting up their positions. We're just chilling. Here is the open in 5 seconds. Already some bigger moves. And there we go. We have opened and we are finding buyers in the open. Kinda good, cool. Let's see if I can scalp this. Alright, I don't know what happened there, but apparently I have to check my account. Oh yeah, it's just bugged. Okay. Good. Well, we are 0-1 now. Now we're just gonna wait and see what happens. I feel like this is a good opportunity to scalp higher, but I kinda wanna see. Yeah, I should have maybe taken that. That's a good short. Yeah, I'm shorting this. Oh, I got slapped on my ass there. Alright. Down 200 bucks already. 3 trades to go. Now I just wanna wait a little bit. After 2 losses. We are still fine. Looking for a sell here. A little slow on that one, but I kinda wanna see like a bigger thrust first. Now it's farting hard, it's probably gonna
It's probably gonna dump here, yeah. I was a little late on that one. Just chilling. Kinda wanna play it slower today. I'm looking for a sell here if we can get any pullback. Actually, that's rough. 3-0-3 already. Well, kinda wanna get here and then get a sell. Well, I got a win there, but it looks like my platform is lagging a little bit. It's like when it's a little bit more like higher volatility, it's bugging out a little bit. Did I get that trade? What? What happened there? It entered the trade, but I didn't get the money, which is kinda weird. I should have won that trade. I have no clue what is going on. I believe Apex is having some kind of lag or something, because I won that trade. But it didn't like put me on that trade, which is kinda weird. It shows like I lost 40 bucks, which is not true, so that's like weird. Well, I guess one. Is this the same time though? No clue what happened there, but oh well, I should have one trade left. But I'm not sure if I'm gonna take it, because that's just so annoying for me. We'll see. Alright, I'm gonna look if it does something here. A good move to the upside. Let's see if it does break out of this. Look at it again. It's not like it's not entering me into trades, which is like what is going on? I guess the Apex platform is down or something, because I should have won that. Well, I would have lost that trade, but it didn't register the trade. They have some kind of issue with data or something on Rhythmic now. Yeah, it shows I lost 15 bucks, but that's not true. I'll go and I'll go and see what's up. Oh, bought Will in the chat. Will 3x98. Welcome to the stream. I have to check if there's some kinda information on what's going on. That's kinda shitty. Let's see, I should have their Discord. Let's see if they have any announcements here. Nothing yet. That's weird. It's so rare that it does that. Like after the open, because like just in the open I would understand it, but that's interesting. Try to find if there's like some kinda I am on the right contract. Trying to find if they have some kind of like update on what's going on. I'm on the right contract, so it's not that. I don't know. That feels kind of shitty. I would have probably lost anyways today, but I would have lost less than what I did. So it's kinda bullshit in my opinion. But they have some issues with data, I believe, because my trades are not like I'm only paying my trading fee, like the fee per trade, right? But I'm not paying like for the loss or the win. I'm not getting them. That's weird. Well, unlucky. I'm gonna see what Nasdaq wants to do here. It's kind of rejecting, like ES is much weaker today. I feel like if ES starts to turn here, then I feel like Nasdaq has a very good chance of continuing, but yeah, realistically I feel like it's gonna dump at least to VWAP or something. We're just trading above SF VWAP. Oh yeah, I have to put this. Why is my... Oh, it should probably... Oh well. Yeah, NQ is breaking now because ES is finding its ground. The gap got already settled. It didn't even go to the overnight high. Just rejected that wave up straight into the gap to sell. Interesting. Yeah, I'm not sure what today was about, but I might have to leave a ticket for support and see what's going on, but because that wasn't even like very volatile action or anything like that, just didn't execute my orders properly. So weird. Such a weird day. Well, I kinda hit my max loss for today. Realistically, I should only be down like 200 bucks, but or not even that. But yeah. ES is looking to push past gap to sell, but or previous close, but it's struggling. A huge fight at peak lows here on ES. Very likely that Nasdaq starts rotating down now. If I took a short here, like 42s would be probably a very good like area, or 40 like a pullback, and then I would try to short this. Yeah, it just doesn't want to give it, right? Oh, there's news, yeah. I forgot about that. Good thing I'm not trading. A little bit below forecast on the PMI. So a little, I guess, bearish news. Yeah, that's for the news for today. I think, yeah, I'm gonna call it a day. That's not a good Friday. They're still up in the week pretty well, but those technical issues are kinda taking my profits away, or making me lose a little bit more than necessary, which is kinda weird. That has never happened to me before. Alright, that's it for the stream. I'll take my losing day, close down the platform, and I'll see ya in